Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce this word from Italian, as well as how to say more interesting and useful and often mispronounced names and words from Italy. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is the term that designates the inhabitants of the city of Naples, or Napoli, as the Italians say, or anything that comes from there is called, in Italian, Napolitano. Napolitano is how it is said in Italy. Therefore, in English, it is usually pronounced as Napolitano. Napolitano from Italian, Napolitano. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of famous places in Italy and names of delicious food. More Italian useful vocabulary as well, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Grazie mille. Thanks for watching. Ciao ciao.